Going back to my days at the Jewish Labor Committee um, and our involvement in the defense agencies, the American Jewish Committee, American Jewish Congress, ADL, all those are the people we worked with, Perhaps the best of them was the Reform Movement and David Saperstein. But the fact is that trying to find in your religious upbringing a sense of social justice, I think is a stretch. I think by and large, if you're a good person, whether you're Jewish or not Jewish, you're going to have a concern for the weaker and the oppressed and the people who are whose lives are harder. It's nice, but you can find anything in the Tanakh. You can go search around and you'll find, terrible things, and the stonings and what have you, and the killings, and the wiping out of towns. But then you find a little leaving the grain in the corners, what have you, and well, that's nice. The line I wanted to quote early on when I talked about the days of my days with the Jewish Labor Committee, there are two lines. Jews vote, live like Presbyterians or Episcopalians and vote like Puerto Ricans. We always talk about voting your self-interest. So if the self-interest of Jews who are now successful would be if they voted that way, we'd be all Republicans. But thank God the Jews are 80% voted for Obama, and I guess I suspect that there'll still be a fairly substantial majority of American Jews voting liberal. Juif don't libéral, which is another French expression, that Jew therefore liberal. Hey, that's cool. I'm for that.